Curious about the magic behind a 5-star hotel's flawless service? It's a behind-the-scenes ensemble of cooperation. We're about to spotlight our team who ensure your experience is extraordinary. Welcome back to Housekeeping Monitor channel, where we dive into the art of exceptional hospitality. Today, we're exploring the synergy between housekeeping and sales marketing teams in 5-star hotels. From room to revenue, strategic collaboration between housekeeping and sales marketing teams in 5-star hotel. This strategic collaboration is pivotal in maximizing guest satisfaction and driving the success of luxury accommodations. Join us as we uncover the innovative approaches and best practices that lead to a seamless guest experience, setting the industry standard for hospitality excellence.
For the housekeeping department, key responsibilities include 1. Room cleanliness, ensuring all guest rooms are clean, tidy, and well-maintained. 2. Laundry services, managing the laundering of linens, towels, and guest clothing. 3. Inventory management, keeping track of cleaning supplies and amenities. 4. Staff scheduling, organizing work schedules for efficient operations. 5. Guest requests, responding promptly to any guest needs or issues. 6. Public area maintenance, keeping all public areas of the hotel clean and presentable. 7. Waste management, proper disposal and management of waste. 8. Training, providing ongoing training for housekeeping staff. 9. Inspection, regularly inspecting rooms and public areas for cleanliness. 10. Budget management, controlling expenses related to housekeeping operations.
The sales marketing department's responsibilities include 1. Revenue generation, developing strategies to maximize room occupancy and rates. 2. Promotion, marketing the hotel's services and amenities. 3. Market research, analyzing market trends to inform sales strategies. 4. Customer relations, building and maintaining relationships with clients and guests. 5. Event coordination, organizing hotel events to attract and retain customers. 6. Advertising, creating and managing advertising campaigns. 7. Online presence, maintaining the hotel's online profiles and booking platforms. 8. Budgeting, managing the department's budget to ensure profitable operations. 9. Team management, leading the sales and marketing team effectively. 10. Reporting, preparing detailed reports on sales performance and market positioning.
As we close this insightful journey into the strategic collaboration between housekeeping and sales marketing teams, remember that the synergy of these departments is pivotal in elevating the guest experience in 5-star hotels. By working together, they create a seamless and unforgettable stay for guests, ensuring every detail is perfected. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video inspires your teams to strive for excellence in hospitality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Housekeeping Monitor channel for more content on maximizing your hotel's potential. Thank you for watching Housekeeping Monitor channel.
Until next time, keep raising the bar of hospitality excellence.